We had granates in this field, but because of the sunshine, the harvest was very, very poor. These are the granite haulms. Actually, the yield was very, very poor. So we have decided now that we picked on a few that we shall reserve for seed for next year. We have decided to plow this place, and we are going to plant here cassava, a local type of cassava that we are going to put. They call it Nigeria. It is resistant to drought, resistant to pests and diseases, and then it also stays longer in the garden. Actually, when you have that variety taking longer in the garden, then you find that you are ensured you are food sovereign.
Ami sirit ko ni mor ko so groupe ay chapa para na dope ne lala choti isa jox na jew to groupe ara ko na ri ja so groupe di mo yobo ni be pe da ko ru ne mo golo pe lalo gwelari ta chiko ke somero mun be chomete do
ajo kisine groupe bore ne ataki no na kasa ajiji mikine boy ne pepe ni jari so groupe sinata noi ina kabere so de keura doketa ita no kwapa lo stebere boba jenu ni cheboro lu mamle musi jeni also boba do lo boba kwa na idi me maidone ride o sai mori na kani ni buru ati petanya idi mare maidan akine kwa na ngini do muso double le mi je bonti du makine mam
ena kasa du munu ipapero kosi do akwanga kalu awai lo apoda ganga so enerkeda so wanjo kopana jaso keda kis
sisan kisa chwa sine no gelegela sisan kisa kiro no piti dari kalia dari duwe kede alo sin no meeting sida ngis do kwani jari so chuti chwa ka do sa depart
ajok sine grupu jakiso boy keda angoro ay to dikna angoro ba kiro ni someti kiloko ya kana kero ni someta angoro ajaki angoro da mabo bilew choko
so yeno ni kope jara ita poete woko rai ai to jokare jawtene la ijara na tonga
jokare jawtene la ijara noi ngaren
oto libe itunga kero jawno te joko
kuna tekele jeni don we famatu kere ni yata kini ikoto ni kafe group onda iguo bon ungair nangi
ami to to jokare jawtene lo itunga the local seed, first of all, it is resistant to drought, to pests, and then it is availability. It is sustainable. Once you harvest, you can keep the same seed for use next year. Whereas the other improved seed, you cannot be able to use the same seed again next year. You need to go back to the shops and buy. As a group now, we are trying to see how can we recover the traditional seed. We just plant it naturally in the garden without applying any fertilizer. But only that the weather did not favor us, and the harvest was very poor. It's going to be very poor. Even if we got 10, 20 kilos, that will be enough for us for seed next year.
People went for the new seed, and the new seed has brought them down.
We're trying to see how we can multiply, eventually establish seed banks. So, the moment the farmers have seed readily available, the rains begin this week, we are still running around trying to look for seed. So you end up planting late and you harvest nothing.
And then you don't have the money to buy.
You don't even have the money to buy.
Olden days, our old people had granaries, so didn't have this lot of food shortage like it is this year. In fact, this year it has been so bad that some families have been staying without food.
With VSF, we looked at how people should be encouraged to use their traditional systems of storage, where we use granaries.
And going back to regional crops, this is...
Fine.
These days, when it comes to wet season, at times you find it is dry. So by the time you start planting, you find that there are no rains. And at the end, you lose. April, May, June, when we expected rain, there was no rain. People have not got beans, people have not got granules, people didn't get even the maize. People are trying now to put in cassava. That's the only way. There are those like this museum here is a bicycle repairer. He's doing it under the other tree. That is how he's surviving.
La idea es que nosotros solamente les facilitemos en la medida de nuestras posibilidades sus propuestas de desarrollo, que no le hagamos más daño, ¿no? Como se ha hecho desde tantos sitios. El modelo de desarrollo que se está vendiendo en todo el mundo y en África también es un modelo completamente separado de las realidades campesinas, de la realidad campesina de pequeña escala, ¿eh? Y está enfocado en la empresa, está enfocado en el negocio, está enfocado en la alimentación como una mercancía.
Right from colonial time, people planted cotton, but eventually they found like they were being exploited by the cooperatives, and these cooperatives mainly were owned by the Indians. They come with the tractors, they tell you, okay, we are willing to give you a loan, give you the seeds, but when you bring your cotton after harvesting, we shall deduct our payment. So at the end of it, people found they were spending more money in producing cotton, but the returns were less. So eventually people stopped cultivating cotton.
We have even the technical school. Some of them are doing carpentry, some are now builders, that is bricklaying, some are tailors. Then we have the commercial area where people are selling. But we have some challenges that like, you see like power, we don't have the power, but people basically here are trying now to use solar system. Water is also another problem because boreholes, once you dig them, it needs very many feet down. If we had things like the power we're talking of, we had the water, we had the inputs, then definitely all these are driving us to self-reliance, such that one is able to do it alone. Ai boy dum na jo nyanya. Ko yimo do yo kwana boni be igwelo na nyanya na ipedorti na pa na bon kapa so msote ngarani jo mam. Nyobo bi wom ti jo be tie partana ya kono aswam ta pe.
Era ti fan mera be tia tara dum ni sirgin bisa no fame business wele be tia ra gar ya kwaen. Kire bule tia ko tia ra na ka pai. Nyobo itiko kidi ikapun bodo kumba na kapan pe pecho no dis lu pune bun bo be ko pene somere do yangari te para sa selen bere ma kwaen gola na dieta gete nyobo ngara kiti jo na rete do mbale deti ya bo beri ngara kitori jo agola na ko na da cha bakane kulora kam kati lolo twani ara lolo mara bingo mele mara go twani ma gari Korea Nigeria mina pole pe kanya Korea isa misiri ne pole mina chaka jo putari ku ko lipo kwa ngara kinara na gwe ni bore ni Korea dari dore kidanga da ko bore bere ngare ti bere ngada lo magare ya ngara chaka gwe yo kwesi na pepo de jaine pe pole piran do da kata kare ko en kira yo do kuma unje da kwesi bunje do na meda bongor wo da ko pae Korea ti donga Korea wa Korea. Nyobo bera chuksu noi yaunti jo mampero tapo. Nyobe mami. Jai ro kilo. De kilo tera le pare, tera le mosi. Radi lon tu burcho kwa na dila mosi ti kwa no boni na tibi ko tanyama kwa ni sida uja do bera ngabe ngoti temta ni kwa ni. Gwela na riyo gore nugati le dumne ne jame da tama. Ana na moja dumna ngesi no me mugati dodo ngesa jo kunajo yo biswa maitata cheswa ana mugati no be mugati la gola na nga goli tabo nyo kwa ni tetemberi akiro nereberio mamonyi nyobo ina nyoba boya de kangene aina tutako emunari ha Bakale gunte sibesa bila